In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with Microsoft Excel. We're going to walk through a simple, practical way to get your data out of Monday.com and into Excel, so you can analyze it, build reports, or share it with people who prefer spreadsheets. By the end, you'll know exactly how to export a board from Monday.com and open it correctly in Excel. First, start by opening your Monday.com workspace and navigate to the project board you want to export. This might be a projects board, a sales pipeline, or any other board that contains the data you want to work with in Excel. Make sure you're on the main board view, not a dashboard or a different workspace, so you see all the columns and items you expect. Once your board is open, look towards the top area of the screen where you typically find board options. Here, you'll see a menu that allows you to manage the board. Click on the relevant menu option that's highlighted in your interface. This is usually where Monday.com groups actions like exporting, printing, or duplicating boards. From that menu, select the option that says Export Board to Excel. This is the key action that tells Monday.com to take all of the visible items and columns on your board and package them into a spreadsheet format. When you click this, Monday.com will prepare a file, usually in the form of an Excel-compatible spreadsheet. Next, you may see a confirmation area or another highlighted option asking you to proceed. Click on the highlighted button to continue with the export. This step ensures that you're intentionally exporting the board and not clicking the option by accident. You'll then see an Export button. Go ahead and click on Export. At this point, Monday.com will generate the Excel file and your browser will either download it automatically or prompt you to choose where to save it. If your browser asks, select a folder you can easily find later, such as your downloads or a specific project folder. Once the file has finished downloading, open your File Explorer or Finder and locate the exported file. It will usually be named after your Monday.com board. Click on the file to open it in Microsoft Excel. You should now see all your board data laid out in rows and columns, ready for filtering, sorting, charts, or any additional analysis you want to perform.